up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And ladies and gentlemen, spring has sprung. Yes, it is nice, it is beautiful, it is warm, and I am actually loving it. We got quite a bit going on today at the shop, but before I get into all that, a couple of quick reminders. Don't forget, June 9th, Jackson, Tennessee, Jackson Dragway, be at the Ford Takeover. You will not want to miss it. I rented out the whole track. It's all ours. Just make sure you're there. Promise you'll love it. Actually, if you want more information, go to the website on the events page or go to Facebook, and there's an event on Facebook. Just do a search for Ford Takeover and you'll find it. Second thing, huge shout out to all the subscribers, everybody that helps make this possible. If you want to get in on the action, right below here is the link to our Patreon page. Tons of giveaways, all kinds of crazy stuff. I promise you won't want to miss that. But anyway, let's get back to what we're doing. All right, guys, so we actually got a little bit going on here I wanted to cover with you. Right now, the car is out of the shop, getting a little sun on her. She needed some sun. There's the engine bay in the sunlight. Let's get some shine on her. Yeah, she's getting a little sun. But actually, this truck over here is a friend of Dover's, and we're doing a little bit of a build on it. Just kind of fixing it up, replacing brake lines, replacing some of the fuel lines, and doing some engine work. But super cool old Ford truck. But we're gonna lift the cab on that thing, so we had to make a little room in the shop, and just kind of clean things out a little bit because it's a mess in there, and it's finally warm enough that you can take stuff out and do something with it. So very good. Okay, so the next order of business is, as you know, the new shop is in the works. We're just waiting on them to kind of get caught up, get out here and do some work. But on this trailer, ladies and gentlemen, is some prep for upcoming builds. And you can actually get a little bit of a hint right there as to what's on this trailer. There is actually, I'm not sure the exact amount, but 4 or 5 coyotes on this truck, on this trailer, ready to go for upcoming builds. Dover's actually already sold one engine, but because we've got 6 cars that are lined up to come in the shop, we needed some engines. So there you go. So we've got to get those engines in the shop, you know, make sure we get them out of the weather because we do have some more rain coming, and we got to get the cab lifted off the truck, and then we'll be good. And then once we do all that, then put everything basically back. But yeah, it's crazy, lots going on. All right, guys, so I did have to do a quick update on the build. You know, the whole control pack debacle. The word on the street is the manufacturer that Ford was using, they changed, and so it's a new manufacturer, and they're changing part numbers, but the Gen 1 control pack is supposed to still be available. Now, I don't know 100%. I'm just telling you what I've kind of picked up on over the last week or so. So that seems to be the case. Any more updates, anything concrete that I get, I will get with the source, make sure it's legit, and I will pass it along to you. The second thing is I have to shout out my good buddy Carlos Sobrino. Carlos runs NMRA Coyote stock and is one of my best friends. Carlos, you rock. And the reason I had to shout Carlos out is he recently did the swap to the Gen 2 motor for the 2018 season, and he had an extra control pack, and he was actually planning to keep that control pack for his other car that he was going to Coyote swap. Well, with all of the stuff that's going on with the Gen 1 control packs, he and I were talking. He was like, look, just take it. I don't know when I'm going to get this other build done, and when you're done with it, just send it back to me, because he knows that I'm going to be swapping to the 15-17 probably in another year or so, you know, just depending on how things go. So that worked out perfectly. He shipped it out. I should have it Monday or Tuesday. So the build will continue. So huge shout out to my bro, Carlos Sobrino. You rock, brother. So, we got to make a quick run out to the shop where all the 150s are at. If you did not catch the video of where we're getting the motors at, you need to go back and watch that, but we're going to give you a little taste of that again. But we got to get some dollies to move all these engines around. How many engines are on that trailer now? 5 Coyotes. So, good stuff. But anyway, we're going to head out to this shop, and you're going to get to see again where we get all these motors from. And you have to see it in person to believe it, but unfortunately you can't, other than this video. All right, ladies and germs, we have arrived. F-150 country. These are just some of the trucks that are done. You see the line goes on and on and on. So if you're looking for a used F-150, come on by. Good Lord. Yeah, there you go. Slightly used. Yeah, again, if you didn't catch the first video where we came and got my motor, it's the land of the forgotten F-150s right here. There's a Coyote.
Can you go that way?
Nope. They got us blocked off by a EcoBoost.
I think I was locked up.
Oh, that one is?
I think it got water.
That's not good. Good core, though.
Yeah, good call.
So yes, we have arrived back out at the land of the engines. Now, oh. Yep, there's all the engines. Good God. So, yeah, we have arrived. So, I'm going to let you kind of just soak all this in. So, here we go. So yeah, it's pretty wild out here. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it's full of trucks like this. It's just crazy. Frames, cabs. All of this is about to be scrapped. Not really worth nothing. But as you can see, it just pretty much doesn't stop. We're trying to load some dollies right now, and it's not exactly easy getting down here, but oh God. Oh, we made it. Just parts out the yin yang. And you see it just keeps going and keeps going and keeps going. Right now we're trying to load up some dollies for engines. Yeah, this is exciting. All right guys, so just to show you just a few of the engines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are all 6R80s. See, this whole row right here is what Jeremy came and got on the trailer yesterday. And then of course, there's more trucks on the other side of the building here. More there, more there, more there. I don't know what's in this thing. It's crunched pretty good. EcoBoost. Don't know what's in that. There's a 6R80.
Yeah, that's gonna be
Front diff, transfer case. Oh, there's another Yoti. That's the Gen 2 motor. There she be. Gen 2 motor.
Huh? Oh, okay.
What do you think about that?
What's that?
Transmission.
So, yeah. Absolutely crazy. Oh, hold on. Here's another Coyote right here. This one's totally stripped. Well, yeah, there she is. Little Coyote just hanging out, relaxing. Those are all wheels over there. And more cabs. So, just unfortunately, they don't sell to the general public. What they do is they rebuild these trucks. They buy flooded, wrecked, whatever trucks, and put good trucks together with parts from bad trucks. And that's how we end up with all the engines and transmissions, and as you can see, like, you know, bodies and everything else. And they do a volume business, as you can plainly see. What engine is this? E35 EcoBoost. You ever want to see a burned out EcoBoost? There you go. There's the turbos right there. More 6R80s. Oh, and we're moving cabs. We're moving cabs. That's just how you do it out here. Anyway, guys, this is a super cool place. Glad you got to come out and check it out with us. The funny thing about this is they're starting to get less and less of the 11 to 14 trucks, meaning the Gen 1 Coyotes, and they're getting more and more of the 15 and up, which means at some point we're going to have to start using the Gen 2 motors, and you know, which they do make more power. There is quite a few differences, but we'll cover all that down the road. In the meantime, we got to get the rest of these dollies loaded up. All right, guys, so that is pretty much going to wrap up what I got for you today. We got all these dollies home. See all these dollies right here? Those make it super easy to move the engines and transmissions around and stuff like that, which, as you can see on that trailer over there, we've got a ton of. So super good, productive day, and this weather rocks. Loving it. Loving it. So, in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Hit that link below for the Patreon page. Tons of giveaways, all that stuff. I will see you on June 9th. Jackson, Tennessee, Jackson Dragway for the Ford Takeover. Do not miss it. Everybody have a good one. Catch back with you later. See ya.